Hello Internet, my name is Gideon and today I'm going to introduce you to a new feature built into Windows 10 2019 release called Windows Sandbox. So what is Windows Sandbox and what is it used for? Okay, Windows Sandbox is a virtualization platform created by Microsoft to help test any software or anything at all that you want to test before deploying or installing it on a working environment. Let's say I want to test a software to see whether the software contains virus or not. With the help of Windows Sandbox, I can do that, right? So let's see how to set up Windows Sandbox and how to use it. First off, we need to install the feature from the control panel. So on your search bar, I want you to type control panel over here, right? So let's type control panel. Click on control panel and navigate to programs. Click on that. Click on turn on Windows feature or off. Turn Windows features on or off. I mean here, just click on it. You can maximize it and navigate down to Windows Sandbox. Click on that, and at the left side there is a box. What I want you to do is just check the box, okay, and click OK. Windows complete the requested changes. Windows need to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. So we are going to restart this computer. I'm going to pause this tutorial. After the restart, we continue from there. Welcome back. Now that the feature has been installed, let's take a look at how to use it. So on your search bar again, I want you to type Sandbox, okay, and you will see Windows Sandbox. Why am I saying that? Because I've installed the feature, right? So click on it, and let's continue. You need to take your time, be patient, right? It's loading because it's a platform created. It works like, let's say, VMware. Do you know VMware? I don't know whether you know much about virtualization, okay? But let's continue, let's do it. I don't want to confuse you. So take your time, let it load. Don't rush, because it's doing a lot of work. Okay, you're ready to go. This is Windows Sandbox over here, okay? So you can see Windows Sandbox. See, we are moving the window, right? You can see it's a duplicate of the same operating system. So you can see start over here, and you can see the main start, right? You can see the search bar. So it's a duplicate of your operating system and the virtualization environment that helps you to test anything that you want to do. You can download things from the internet. You can test downloaded softwares. Whatever, what you want to do, you can do it with it. So let's test a software I have on my desktop. I have a software called Tizati, and I want to install Tizati on this virtual environment, like to see how does Tizati behaves. And I can also install an antivirus on my virtual environment to test or to see whether the software I'm installing, Tizati, does it contains virus or what? Okay, so right now I have the software here downloaded on my main operating system, but I can use Windows Sandbox to download it from the internet. I can do a lot with it. So right now I just want to copy this software to my desktop and paste it on the virtual environment. So let me paste it over here, and okay, let me install it. Double click and we'll continue from there. Okay, continue. Yes, install. Launch Tizati. So you can see the way platform has given me the chance to install the software to test how does the software look like and how does it behave. In fact, I really like this feature. It's really great. It's really great. So that's all about it. Windows Sandbox is a great feature built in to the upcoming. I don't know whether you've received the updates, but the updates are out. You see, today's date is 24th April, right? 24th April 2019. So you can check on Microsoft website and get the updates and use this feature. It's really great. And this channel is a new channel and it's about helping individuals solve their problems. I want you to subscribe so that you won't miss any updates for the future. Thank you. My name is Gideon and you're welcome.